people are not innocent as you think. There's no such as friendship in that house. They all came for one thing, to win the 2 million rand. So you must sit there and think, oh, they need to be good to each other, they need to love each other. The most important thing is to respect each other. You cannot form a group just because you guys have one common enemy. One day you need to turn against each other for one of you to win the 2 million rand, guys. So yesterday, it started after before the pool party. Ashe, he was talking to King Wanda. Ashe, he made it clear he doesn't want any returning housemate, including his best friend Liema, to win the show. According to him, the 2 million rand prize should go to a fresher, a new housemate who has been grilling from day one. He believes that the comeback housemate already had their shot. Giving them the crown will be unfair to those who have been survived every nomination task twist without a second chance. So I do understand Ashe. I mean, he's the first time coming to Big Brother's house, guys. He also wants the 2 million rand. And people used to think, oh, to Ashe, she's innocent. There's no such as innocent person in that house, guys. Everybody came for the one thing, guys. So after the pool party, they decided to sit inside the house. They were doing their podcast. King Wanda was a presenter asking a question. So, they were asking each other's questions. And then Ashe said, why don't you ladies want to date King Wanda, blah, blah. Didi explained herself. Emma asked Ashe the same question. Why don't you want the girls in the house? He said, because I have a girlfriend. And then Uliema said the same thing, is the reason why I won't go for any guy in the house. Ashe was like, we're not different between me and you is that you kissed the six-pack. He started naming all the things Uliema has done. The six-pack to me, guys, is so... What Ashe said to Liema, Uliema stood up and went upset and started crying, guys, saying that she's done with Ashe, guys, and she started packing her clothes, saying she wants to go home. She went, there's a ring bell, she went there and said, Big Brother, open the door for me, guys. And people are saying, say, Uliema une drama, Nkosiyami. Do you still remember the nomination? On Monday, she said Thandeka must go through those doors. Now she's the one who wants to go through the door. Open the door, Big Brother. So people are saying, if you want to go home, Liema, just go home. There's no way Ashe can fall sorry for you. He also wants the 2 million. Obviously, he see you guys as a threat. I cannot blame Ashe, guys. I will never blame Uliema. Also, Uliema, she knows very well being close with Abu Ashe, Abu King Wanda, forming a clique is part of the game. It's part of her strategy. It's working for her. She knows very well if one of those housemates leave the votes for those for that one housemate votes, they will come to her. So she's very strategic. No one is there to play and to be. Even Didi, and people are saying, even Didi seems like she wanted Liema to leave. Tracy might be acting like a big sister, but if they were to choose between you and Liema, who should take the 2 million rand? Obviously, she would say herself. So let's not blame Ashe, guys. Uliema na une drama, Nkosiyami. She was just causing drama. We know Monday is Tuesday. People are starting to nominate guys to vote. So she will do anything just to make Ashe look like what act as if for Ashe. He's not a person. He's also a person. Just because he's quiet, it doesn't mean that he doesn't deserve the 2 million. Everybody is there for the 2 million rand. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me what you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday.